Hello, dear friends. So, today let's talk about some arts of publication, how to publish, where to publish, and the most important problem that I see usually that the people struggle at finding the appropriate journals to submit their papers, or sometimes the issue regarding that APC, that's an article processing charges, which journals are publishing for free, which journals are publishing with the charges, and there are different kinds of journals, like one are subscription based, other are that are paid art journals. So it's always a confusion where to publish, and obviously we don't know about the metrics of the journal, that which journal is good and what is the impact factor or standing of the journal in international research community. So these are the questions that usually even everyone initially finds it difficult. Even many senior people find it difficult to find the journals. So today I will show you one easy and simple step that you can just follow and find an appropriate journal regarding your paper, and what kind of paper it is, what subject or topic that paper is on, and whether are you going to publish it for free, are you looking for some paid journals. Sometimes we are looking for the journals that are publishing quickly, say for example 3 to 4 weeks or 6 weeks. Sometimes we look for publication that obviously take time, 6 months and a year, but we are not in a hurry, so or we have some deadline. So there are many tools, you don't have to do anything, there are many tools, and usually these tools are from the top publishers, like from Elsewhere, from Taylor and Francis, from Springer, and many other. So there are tools, just you have to go and just do a few steps, and you will find a list of different journals and details and specifications of each journal regarding your topic. Here one such tool is this Jane, which is a journal author name estimator. And what you can do with this Jane, here see, just go into the Google and write Jane and it will appear. So here is a box. In this box, what you can do is, it is instructing you that insert either the title of your paper, an abstract of your paper here in this box, and once you paste that abstract or title of your paper, it will suggest you a list of different journals with their details. Say for example, my paper is on type 2 diabetes mellitus and infections elderly. Say for example, this is just a random topic. Click on this find journals, and as soon as I cleared, see, here it is. It is giving you a list of the journals that are actually publishing related to that topic. So obviously my topic was related to an endocrine problem with a focus on infection, and see, there is a list of the journals, and here are their impact factors, and there's a very long list, you can actually and see that. Now say for example, I am interested in this article, this journal, that is, it has an index of 3.1. click on this show articles, and if you want to know more about this particular journal, you can click on this option on explore more in PubMed, and it will take you to the home page of PubMed, where you can actually see the details of this journal. So these are the different papers that are published in this journal over the time, and you can see that what kind of papers are being published there, what is their quality, and I'm not going in that detail. If you click on here, any option here, it is giving you that this is an open access, it does not charge readers or their institution for access, and is considered to be high quality. Then it is also telling you whether or not these journals are Medline index. So those that are Medline index, they have this green, those that are these. So here, and other tool that I will share with you here is the simply go to the Google and write this Elsewhere journal finder. So once you write this Elsewhere journal finder, again all of these are working in a similar way. Here you have actually to either search by keywords, scope, title of journal, you can write about that, okay, I'm looking for journal for infectious diseases, or you can write the keywords of your that paper, or you can actually click on this match my abstract option and paste the abstract of your paper. Say for example, I have this one of the papers and its abstract is ready, and I'm just pasting it, copying its abstract, copy the abstract and just paste it here. And once your abstract passed, click on find journals, and look at here, you have got the list of different papers. There will be many, and just for example, see, The beauty of this elsewhere is that it will give you the impact factor of their journal here. It is sites score, time to first decision. It's telling you how quickly or late it's going to publish. So time to decision is 2 days. That within 2 days you will get a decision whether or not they are processing journal. Time to acceptance is 21 days. Acceptance rate is not there. So see, it is showing you both option. Here is the one open access, that with open access if you are going to publish your paper through this channel, once say for example you submit the paper here to this journal and it is accepted for publication and you passed all the peer review process and it is accepted, journal will give you two options. Either you publish open access, that in open access you have to pay this much of amount, so this $3,500. Okay, so and other is subscription based, that means no publishing charges. Your paper is accepted and you have opted to go with this subscription option. In this way you will not be charged, paper will be published for freely, but then it will not be available openly on PubMed or Google Scholar. Not everyone can, only the subscribers of this journal, those institutes or individuals that pay to this journal and pay a subscriber, they can only see your paper. That means the visibility of your paper will be decreased, but you won't be charged. So this is the one way. Another is this another top publisher, Springer. They only have their journal finder, and Springer's have thousands of journals, and within Springer, and again the same process, just paste your abstract here, and once you paste your abstract here, it is giving you, or you can also enter the keywords. That option will click on this find journal and see this Springer again will give you the again a list of journals with the impact factors. What is your 5-year impact factor, how many downloads have been there, submission to first decision 5 days, 23 days, relevance to your, again it is showing you in these bullets that how much that journal is actually resembling to your abstract or your keywords. Again you can just click on these journals and go and see how they are publishing, whether they are publishing freely or they have both options. I'm not going in that detail, but see there are many journals, you won't know about the journals, that there are too many journals and their options. So this will just open everything for you. Even you can select, target a 2-3 journals before writing your paper, that okay you see that paper and you can select 2-3 journals that I will target these journals and write according to guidelines of those journals. And similarly this one thing last I will show, there are many others but this is common, I will show you an important. So this is Dodge. Dodge is very common and you must have heard of it. Dodge, it is the directory of open access journals. It will mostly show you open access journals, but in Dodge simple you can do a journal is just open to Google and come, you don't need any logins, nothing, just come to the Dodge and say for example your paper is related to a topic of internal medicine, say for example, and just in here you write the internal medicine and search it and it will show you the journals related to. See now it has shown me the 1600 plus results, and below will be the journals with their details. This is the just journal, second journal, third journal, this is journal name, published by their publisher name, the country, the language, and main subjects. You can open and go to the detail of the journal here. So say for example I'm going to this journal here and see here it is giving me the ISSN portal of this journal, details of this journal. See for example, and they say that there are no publication fees, that this journal does not charge anything, you can publish it for free. And here are the, you can see the journal's aims and scope, instructions, peer review process, expected 5 weeks from submission to publication. That it is probably, if you accepted that, the whole process will nearly take 5 to 6 weeks. So it's giving that's a quick publishing journals. And this is the subject that it publishes, and here you can go into the journal metadata. Here you can find the articles that are published in this journal, so you can see the what kind of work is being published, being accepted, and everything. So this is how you can actually make this particular step of your research quite easy. Thank you.